Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide photos, the app, and its content to appear in search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Photos. And in here, tap on Siri and search. Then go down to the While Searching section and tap on Show App in search to hide or show the app. And down here, tap on Show Content in search. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And this will allow the photos content to appear in search. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.